Hello everyone, check this out. This is a everyday carry toolkit from Wiha. This is all Wiha stuff. This is very similar to Knipex. Yeah, I found this one actually it's a little bigger than the Knipex one, you can see. But this is made by Wiha. I was curious about this one. But well, checking, for example, the part that is open, this Wiha doesn't really open as much as the Knipex, right? And there are also little longer. So, well. Just if you were curious about this Wiha, just wanna see you the comparison, but I still think that I guess this is better. But well, anyway, if you are a Wiha fan, well, now you know that there is this Wiha option as well. A little bigger. But besides it's bigger, it's open less than this one, right? Like a, well, if you open like this one doesn't go farther than this. So yeah, it's not really same, right? And see here all the steps are more options here. Here is just a few of them, right? These are more simple ones, but well, that is always good to know. That is, this is a Wiha brand, and this kit is coming like this one, right? It's bits here and bits in here. The bit holder are here. But what I did, there is an option that coming something similar like this, just with bits, normal bits here, but it has a ratchet. It's just coming in a blue color, but I make this one similar to the blue one by taking out what I did. This one, the bits are coming with this inside here. I took this out. There is a set of these two like this. This is inside of here, as you can see. Look, there is this white one here inside. I just remove it, this one, and by doing that I put this one, the normal one, a bit holder normal, and with this I was able to put double-ended bits. So you take this one out from here and you just put this one inside here, and then now you can make it double-ended bits. So in that way you can have 24 bits. I put a bit holder, I changed it for the CentroFix one, the ratchet, and well, you have a kit here that you can have it in your pocket here, a tool, so you can carry your pliers, your set of bits, and well, your screwdriver. Here, this screwdriver is also it holds double-ended bits. The number is the 3802, and this one can hold double-ended bits. Yep. So this will be kind of a similar. Well, this also is a universal socket by Wiha. It doesn't say it's Wiha actually, but I bought it in the Wiha web page. It just it doesn't say it's Wiha, but I just put it there. Put this adapter here, and you can have your universal sockets. So you are kind of a fan of the double-ended bits. Wiha brand, well, that's something you can make here and have all this set for your everyday carry toolkit. if you want to see the comparison with this one by the Wiha, in size is kind of maybe, well, this one is still is not too big actually. Well, this one doesn't contain these pliers, but this will be kind of the equivalent like this. However, well, this one, because it's a full set, is, well, I add more sockets here because I just to add more. But the thing is, this will be cheaper if you just buy it because it's a full set. In this case, you need to buy, well, you can buy this set with the wrench, the ratchet, this one, and the bits, the normal bits. This one is sold like this, similar. I just took out, as I mentioned, this one to make it double-ended bits. So instead of having, because in the normal set there is here 15 is 15, but by doing this change of removing this one and put it 12 is 24, right? You make it 24. The ratchet here, the wrench here, and well, you have to change this bit holder, the normal one, by the CentroFix to be able to hold the double-ended bits. So, but yeah, because you need to buy separately pretty much the bits, this set, the socket, the screwdriver. Yeah. So yeah, still this is a better option. Just if you are, as I mentioned, fan of the double-ended bits and the Wiha brand, well, you can make up something like this, and then you can carry your everyday carry, yeah, by this Wiha. Okay, thank you guys, and see you next time.